Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox Stage 320 party speaker and you're trying to replace the battery on it. So you're going to want to do this if you're playing this for a long time. The batteries don't last all that long, and it's actually nice to have a few extra batteries. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get these batteries at a good price. And that way you can just have a couple on hand, and when one battery goes dead, you can just swap it out. But anyways, it's really easy to do. All we need to, really the hardest thing is just getting the extra batteries. All we need to do is come around to the back, and you'll see you have this, this woofer hole here, and above it there is a door that you'll open, and you can just slide the battery out. And then once you're going to do that, you're just going to put the new battery in. So you'll see on this battery there are these metal contacts. So you just want to have the metal contacts on the front going into the speaker and facing down. So metal contacts in and down, slide the battery in, and that's all there is to it. So again, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the batteries, and I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching.